Hello friends, welcome to Aircraft Technical. Friends, you must have seen this small hole on commercial aircraft window. What is the purpose of this hole on window and how it works to accomplish its purpose? So let's understand in this video. Aircraft cabin window provide the clear visibility from aircraft cabin to the outside. To install the window in aircraft, it is required to have the opening in aircraft structure. As we know, commercial aircraft usually fly at high altitude to get the benefit of fuel economy. But this poses the unsafe condition for passenger due low atmospheric pressure. However, aircraft pressurized for the passenger comfort and safety. Due aircraft pressurization, there is a difference in atmospheric and cabin pressure. As a result, pressurization load will develop and this will act inside of aircraft structure. To take pressurization load effectively, aircraft structure must be strong and the opening in the structure should be as small as possible and stiffen around the opening for structure stability. Aircraft windows are smaller in size to ensure the minimum pressurization load act on the window, and the window opening in the aircraft structure are in oval shape to prevent the stress concentration point. Aircraft window consists of two window pans called main pan and auxiliary pan. There is an additional pan called the scratch pan. Main pan and auxiliary pan are the load carrying pan and the scratch pan is a non-load carrying pan. The use of these two pans increase the window pan reliability. Main pan installed as the outer pan in window frame and it is relatively thick and has high fatigue strength. Auxiliary pan installed as the inner pan in window frame and it is relatively thin and has low fatigue strength. The scratch pan covers the inner pan which prevent the passenger touching the inner or outer pan. The outer main pan away from the cabin while the inner pan next to the cabin. The pan installation in the window frame such that it creates the space between both the pans. Both the pans are held in the window frame by the seal arrangement and the window frame secured to the aircraft structure. Outer main pan take the cabin interior pressure under the normal operating condition. The inner auxiliary pan is not required to take the cabin interior pressure under the normal operating condition because the cabin pressure is effective in the space between the inner and the outer pan. The space between the outer pan and the inner pan connected to interior cabin through a small diameter hole on the inner pan called the vent hole or the breather hole. Vent hole allow the cabin pressure to flow and equalize the pressure between the interior cabin and the space between the inner and the outer pan, and also ensure that the cabin pressure act on the outer pan under the normal operating condition. During aircraft operation, if outer main pan break, inner auxiliary pan take the cabin interior pressure load. However, in such emergency, it is necessary to assure that particular flight can continue to its destination without catastrophic failure. So here we conclude that these two pans in window frame enhance the aircraft reliability and the vent hole on inner pan ensure that the cabin internal pressure act on the outer pan under the normal operating condition. Guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.